In the cities of Mumbai, there lived a hard-working laborer named Raju. He lived with ease with Radhas and their daughters Riyas. Every day, Raju worked hard as a daily wage workers. The money he earned was what had kept their home running. If he ever borrowed money or anything else, he always made sure to return it on time. But one day, while working, Raju suddenly felt disease busy and fell from the first floors. The other workers quickly took him to the hospitals after 2 or 3 days. Raju was discharged and come back
What just
home.
happened? Everything was going fine. And all of a sudden, this? I have been so worried since then.
Raju replied softly.
Hey Radha, don't worry, I'm okay. I'll recover soon. Please don't think too much.
How can you say you are okay? Look at the injuries. You have even fractured your leg.
Calm down, Radha. Look, I can talk, I can see, and my hands are working fine. The rest will heal in a few days. So you just relax, calm down, and do not think too much.
Hearing these Radhas finally came down. She served Raju's food and gave him his medicines. Days passed, the little savings Radha's had was not finished, and she started worrying about how to manage household expenses. The next day, she cooked only rice for everyone. Seeing these Rajus understood that there was no groceries left at home.
Radha, have you run out of money now?
Yes, but I'm thinking of finding some work.
Radha, with me in this condition, it feels like mountain of troubles has fallen on us.
Don't worry, I'll find a way.
After many days, Radha finally stepped out of the house to buy groceries. On her way back, she noticed the neighborly flours mills shops. There was a long queue of people waiting to grind their
Even we
grains.
have our old family handmill at home. If I start using it again, I can earn some money and at the same time, I can take care of Raju.
She rushed back home, pulled out the old handmaids and tried to get it working. Raju lying on the bed guides her on what to do. After a lot of efforts, Radha managed to make it work and exactly said.
Now I will grind flour for others. That way, we can earn a little money.
Just then, Dr. Riya spoke up.
Mom, this is Mumbai. Who has time to come and stand in line to grind flour? Please think logically.
But when I was coming back, there was such a crowd at the flour shop. That's why this idea came to my mind.
Mom, everything is online these days. My friend told me her mom even orders milk online. Why don't we sell flour online too? Whoever needs it can just call us. Why don't we try this?
But how will I do that? I don't know anything about such things.
Mom, I'll teach you. My friend taught me everything, even how to use a mobile phone. So, no worry at all.
My dear daughter, you are absolutely correct. But we don't even have a mobile phone.
Mom, then let's buy one on installment. We can pay a little every month.
But what if we cannot manage to pay later?
Don't worry, Mom. We'll manage. This is the online world now. Everyone wants things delivered to their doorstep since people don't have time.
My little girl has grown up so much.
Come on, Mom.
Whilst they were talking, Raju said.
Radha, get the groceries from Harilal's shop. Tell him my name and ask for 2 months credit. And Riya, get the mobile on installment, but only after checking everything properly. Take help from your friend if needed. All the best.
Sure, Papa.
Radha went to bring the groceries and Riya stole the mobile phone.
That's great, Riya. You really know how to use it. So, how will we sell flour online now?
Riaz set up all the phone's functions, served her friends' numbers on WhatsApp, made groups, and sent message about her mother's new business. She also asked everyone to forward it.
Mom, we'll have to deliver flour to people's home. Let's pack the flour now. So, when someone orders, we can deliver quickly. Got it, Mom?
Means?
We will pack flour in 1 kg, 2 kg, and 5 kg bags. When someone orders, we will note their address and deliver it. You should also fix the price for each type. Hope now you understand, Mom.
So, if someone asks for flour on mobile, we will deliver it to their home and they will pay us after receiving it, right? I'm right, Naria?
Yes, Mom. And we will also need to open a bank account so customers can pay online. Don't worry, I will help you with everything. Let's just focus on work.
Thank God you know all this. Otherwise, what would we have done?
Riaz then made a small chart and stuck it outside their house. One afternoon, Radha got her first calls for the floor orders. She noted stones, the names, address, and other details.
Hey, our first order has come. I'm going to deliver it. Please take care of yourself until I'm back.
Don't worry, Radha. Go deliver the order and make sure to count the money properly. This is the new beginning for you. I wish you all the best.
Yes, I will be right back.
Radha's packed 1 kilogram of wheat flour and delivered it to the given address.
Wow, that was quick. Nice service. Yes, I live nearby. And please let me know how the chapatis turned out. If you like the flour, please reorder. Sure, I will.
I will the customer pays Radha's and she returns home happily. She placed the monies before the household shines and proud for the blessings.
Look, our first earning. I'm so happy today.
This is just the beginning, Radha. From now on, expect more work. Get ready to work even harder. I wish our business will flourish.
May your words come true. I am always ready to work hard.
Whilst they were talking, Riaz came running in.
Mom, we just got 2 more orders. One for 5 kilos of wheat flour and one for jowar flour. Quick, pack them for me. I will get this delivered.
And be careful while delivering.
Riaz delivered both orders and handed the monies to her mother. Slowly, with the help of middle technologies, Radha started getting 10 to 15 orders every day. Seeing this, Raju became very happy. He also started helping Radha from homes together. Radha and Riaz fulfilled all the orders, soon life became smooth again. Raju recovered completely and their household runs happily. They even managed to clear all their debts. Both Raju's and Radha's began earnings together. All this was possible because of Radha's hard work